All right. Natrell got the camera. All right, Shashawn won't be on. Oh well. I sure hope I don't get penalized for this though, because
That's a video.
all right. So you have your camera. I got mine. I got two cameras. You see. Well, you're not gonna put me on YouTube, so I don't want to be on yours. If you're not gonna, well, all right, I might as well be on yours. All right.
Got you on mine already.
Huh?
Got you on mine already.
Because I want you to put me on the internet. That's all. Well, I'm already on the internet. I'm even on somebody else's show. Oh yeah, I forgot this person's name. He was in MeccaCon. All right. All right. Well, I'm about to stop the tape on both cameras. You about to eat? Well.